May I know from the participants? Yeah. How many of you are really interested in making your own PPT, designing your templates, brochures, flyers, videos, etc.? Among the participants, may I know the interest in using the Canva application for teaching or any other uses? Very good. Joseph Elizabeth, you can use your chat box. Excellent. My screen is on, Jayalakshmi ma'am.
Ma'am, the screen is visible, ma'am. Can I stop presenting, ma'am? Vasudha, ma'am?
Yes, is my screen sharing on?
No, ma'am, now we are not able to see, ma'am.
All right. Now?
Yes, ma'am, we can see the presentation screen, ma'am. PPT is not visible, ma'am.
I'm trying to open Canva.
Okay, yes,
I'm
ma'am.
using Canva application. Just confirm once it is on so that I'll move on with my presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
My screen is visible, I hope.
No, ma'am, now it is not visible, ma'am.
Now I'm on Canva application. Is it?
No, ma'am, we are not able to see, ma'am.
No. Okay. Share screen. I will do it again. Now?
Yes, ma'am. Now we are able to see, ma'am.
Canva
Yes, ma'am.
application is on, right? Very good. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Camera is on. Yes, ma'am.
My audio and video both are on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Once again, sorry for the delay. To all the participants waiting eagerly to listen, I hope this session would bring you, will make you learn how to use the application. Besides, you will also learn the various advantages of using this Canva application. In this, 21st century where we are working, whether it is artificial intelligence or applications like Canva or any other tools, whether it is, research tools or say application-based tools. If we are not using it, people consider us to be, outdated and and they consider it to be outdated and we are not upgraded. So, in order to upgrade ourselves and be on par with this generation, let's start learning about an application which would help us in leading us do, lots of designing uh, at this designing of the flyers, brochures. We end up seeing a lot of Instagram posts, social media posting, YouTube channel videos, etc. All these you can do editing with Canva application. The thumbnails that are so popular on YouTube that are designed using, most of the YouTubers use Canva application where they end up using this Facebook post, Instagram stories, videos, mobile videos. And coming to academics, whiteboard, yes, documents, making the documents more meaningful, presentable, and making them more, attractive, understandable. Canva enable us to design the content into picture format or a readable, understandable format where easily it can be understood. Besides, one must be having a query like, is it only Canva? Can't we do it using MS Office, etc.? If you have this question, I would say yes. We can do with MS Office where we have Word, and then we have Excel, PPTs, page, um, front pages, HTML docs. All these are various ways in order to, make our presentations and make our, flyers beautiful, beautify them more and make it more understandable to the general public as well, not so specific. So in all these are there, but the exclusive software where under single roof you have a solution for so many things at one go. You can do it. You can not just only create your own document for a classroom teaching, but you can also design a PPT. You can make collages for beautiful presentation. It's not just only for academicians, but for otherwise also people across can use it in different ways for designing their invitation cards, say invitation videos can be designed. All these are available for free. Now you can see on screen, I am just opening this Canva application where you see the brochures which are available templates for free. Uh, to great extent, we can use the software and design. This is one of the flyer for promoting a product by a company. So in case if we are having an idea of promoting or you think our data is suiting this particular template, then we can download this and start editing this online. All right. So here, like this, there are many. Okay, this is one example. Like this, there are many which you can use. So moving on, you can see here there are so many photo collages. Anyone which you are attracted towards, you can just click and then start editing as per your requirement. There are presentation which even talks here. In the sense, presentation moves on with audio. So that way, presentations are designed here. Or many managers ends up doing a lot of brainstorming sessions. For them, PPTs of this kind would be very much attracted. And PPTs with this kind of information in this way would make a lot of difference in understanding and grabbing the attention of the participants. These are referred as infographics, which give extensive information about a particular topic. Suppose, see here, you have a list of 12 steps which you can use it each one for, writing your own content here. And if you are teaching, then you can use it. Or otherwise, if you wanted to give any information about your product, company, brand, etc., still you can use this and modify it. These are referred as infographics. Besides, you have flyers, which are the regular and the more popular these days since pandemic, post-pandemic, and even during pandemic also, where people started making their flyers on their own using these applications, uh, where the job has become so simple with the templates available. You just have to modify the content, change the content, fix your pictures, and just go ahead. So that way, templates are already available. Besides, the available templates are not satisfying your needs, then you can move on to design your own template as well. See, these are the logos creation. So here you come in case you have a company planning to establish a company, then you need to go to specialized people to do so, right? So here are some ideas with respect to creating your own logo. Okay, so out of these so many logos which are available, you can select any one which you think is apt for you, and then you can start editing it. Okay, and photo collages, talking, logos, YouTube banners. These are something which are very popular these days. YouTube banners, thumbnails, right? So this is actually the page. You have to go to your Play Store, either on your laptops or on your mobile phones. Just type Canva, a designing application. You will see Canva uh, logo in this form, the Canva create. So this particularly you can identify the way it is written and choose it, tap on it and start downloading it. It is freely available. Upon downloading, installation will happen in your applications, followed by you will be asked to register with your either email IDs and mobile numbers. So registering with your email IDs, tap on the provide the information of your email ID and password. And with this go, you will be able to create your own account. The way I have created my account as Vasudha145, which is linked to my Gmail ID. Okay, so this is how you will be able to see the screen upon entering the Canva application. Now you look at the screen, there is slight difference, but otherwise the presentation only is difference in the laptop and phone. Okay, so on the top corner right side, there are three lines on which if you tap, you will be able to see all the options which you have. On the left panel, Home, Magic Studio. Magic Studio is something which is available for pro users. Okay, pro users are the ones, those who pay for the application in order to use the advanced technique, advanced options. So in case if anyone is interested in using advanced options, in they can go for pro. Otherwise you can go for a trial version of 14 days. Okay, then you have projects. Okay, will tap on projects, will take you to the projects that you are working on, like folders. If you are creating any subfolders, etc., you can have your own folder. The designs are available, images that you want to download are available. So that way you can simply tap on projects and then go. Similarly, you have templates, a list of templates which are available for businesses, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, card invitations, photos, icons, creators that you follow. See, all those who are using these applications have a page into Canva and they tag onto the Instagram post. So that way you can follow people how they are using and what kind of templates that they are using. With this, you will get an idea as to what across, which is a popular template. If in case you're planning for a YouTube channel, for your, front page or thumbnail you wanted to design. So simply you can follow and you can have. Otherwise, with the available templates as a list is given to you, tap on each one, you will be taken to the respective folder where you have n number of templates which are available for free, which you can use it. Besides, in case if you are not satisfied with what is provided here and you wanted to use something else, then you have to go for Pro. Okay, Pro will unlock you the features and the templates which are exclusively available. See, for example, I will show you here. On the left panel, there is one template which shows Pro. The symbol you can see, the crown symbol with Pro. Okay, in case if you want to use this template, you need to go for Pro account. Only then you can use it. Okay, then any template which is available without Pro, you can simply tap and start using it. Okay, so this is how so many, templates are available for free. Out of this, whichever template that you are, willing to work on with, you can just use it and start using it according to your requirements. You can change the data and start working on it. All right. So now, just a second. Suppose this is a class schedule and you wanted to make a timetable. Okay, so here there are designs available. Now let us get into each one of the template, not all the templates, but few of them. Let's see how different versions are available about, the templates. See here, the class timetable, so many templates are available. Which one you think is best suitable for you? You can just use it, provided they are not pro. Suppose this is what I wanted. Okay, so here you can have the option of color change. Go to colors option. The kind of color that you are looking for, that thing which is best suiting your requirement, please select it and stop it. And this particularly, you can just move this circle around to fix the color from bright to low. So just take this, move the circle around across and see which color you're looking for and fix it. Okay, you have gradient options. You can change, you can you retain the same color, no issues. Okay, anything that you would like to do, you can scroll down and see other color versions which are available. And simply you can add up the color. Next option you see, there is animation. Animation is simply mark you in HTML language, which moves the words from, one left side to right side to left side, top to bottom or bottom to top. So that way we use marquees in HTML. Here also, in case if you want to animate, you can use it and you can fix the time for that animation. Like you can lower the time or you can increase the time on this timeline. Okay, by selecting the time which you think that is good for you. Okay, then we have page animation. See, there are n number of ways through which you can show the page animation. Okay, this is how you can just simply take a call and, just give a try, which you think is apt for you and your template, you can go for it. It's just a movement of those cells and appearing as in PDF. Okay. Next tool, Magic Animate. This Magic Animate is not available for free users. You need to go for Pro account. Then we have combinations. Yes, you can have a combination of, suppose corporate. Yes, you want ABC. So you can just, out of this available combinations, you can select any one and just simply tap, it will apply. Then we have all these plans which are available. Besides, you have exaggerate option where you can, simply. Next option we have is tumbling. Tumbling is, see, on exit or on entry. It tumbles and then settle down. So even some people would like to keep on, both the times when you are owning the show and then when you are off the template. So that way you can use this and you can fix it. Okay. Here you can just tap on reverse exit animation, that like in case if you don't want, you can just tap on reverse. Otherwise, there is an undo and redo button on the top, which will also help you in uh, undoing what changes you have made if you are not happy or by mistake, if anything is happening. On the top, you will see undo and redo option. So that you can use. Okay, now suppose you want to create a new design, or you can import a document also which you have already. See customization size. In this you are asked to select any one. Okay, suppose if I am selecting an infographic or say flyer, I would select rather. So let's go for flyer. So this particularly, when I am tapping and trying to open, it gets automatically saved as your template in your this thing. Okay. And in this template flyer, the one which I wanted to, I can select. Suppose this is one which I want to work on. Okay. Oh no, this is Pro. So let me go for another one. Okay, so here we go with this flyer and let us start editing this. Okay, and all those who are doing it can just start working out in any, flyer that you wanted to, or any template that you are willing to. Okay, see now this particularly, I am just tapping on this. When you're using your computers, you can just use your cursor to do so. See how it gets activated. Now here we need to replace. Okay. So provide access to your available, things and see how the picture has got replaced. You can see the picture has got replaced with my laptop. Earlier there was a difference. Likewise, tap on this and get the replacing. Here you can see there are options available where you can copy this same and paste it again. Like you want the same picture again somewhere or in the same template, you can copy. Like just tap on this, copy. Suppose I want to paste here. Here it is getting copied. Okay. Likewise, any photo or any area that you want to repeat again, simply you can copy. Now, suppose this is something which I don't want. I'm not, no, I don't find it interesting. So let me undo it. Just tap on undo. Yeah. Right? So, yes, it is done. So it is back to the same. Now I wanted to change here. Okay. The content I wanted to change. So instead of content creator, let me write something else. So here I'm typing 5 days national level FBP. 5 levels national level FDP. Okay. So now here you wanted to, you know, expand this box. Yes. Or suppose you wanted to move this box, you can. Suppose you wanted to change this here to set 5 days national level FD. Likewise, suppose the above one I wanted to. Okay, now what I'll do is Canva designing. Okay, now designing may ing is coming down. So let me remove and put it in one line. So here is Canva designing, right? So here while I am, typing, I have an options. I have an options here to use the font size, font style, color of the font, etc. I can use anything that I wanted to. Suppose okay, now you see this particularly I wanted to change. Okay, with the information, participation, okay, hands-on, training, hands-on training, participation, YouTube link, and many more, right? See, I can expand this box, reduce it. I can fit according to my requirement. Suppose here, join. Instead, I will write, I'll post a YouTube link through which the participants can join. Okay, so here, this is how I will insert. Suppose I don't want a particular, design, or I don't want, I can simply tap it on and then see you have all these options below. So many options are there. Edit option. Okay, edit, type something, FDP. or this particularly I don't want, or I want a different color. Okay, so bring it backward is, where you can, like this, when it is coming up on a particular font or an image, you can hide them above the photo or below the photo. Or sometimes you may end up getting backward. Okay, backward. So that way you can use these options are available even on your. So timing is also there where you can set the timing for the effects that you are fixing. Styles are there where you can select the various styles. Okay. Besides, cropping option is available, flipping option is available, flip horizontally, flip vertically. You can see here how the flip option is working. Flip horizontal, flip vertical. So like if a particular template is something which you are not liking or it is not suiting that place, then simply move it. Okay, you can move it. And suppose here it is not making it, perfect, then simply turn it, shift it as you want, as you want. Understand? So this is how you can fix it. Suppose particularly this you don't want, this picture, right? This is something what I will inserted just now. Okay, suppose you wanted to move this, yeah, you can move it. Here you can change the color to any color that you want. Suppose you want red color. Just select, change, right? So this is how your colors have changed for the boxes, particularly some boxes that you wanted to change. By default, there are color options. Otherwise, you wanted to change also, you can do the changes. Besides, effects are there, adjustments are there, cropping option is there. When you want to crop it, you want to make it small or bigger, expand. Expand option, yes, you can provide it if you have a pro account. But these days, we've been watching people using for free without paying. So rotate option is also available where you can rotate. Duplicate is created. You can fix this duplicate wherever you want. Tap on this, click on plus button, another duplicate will be created. Suppose Canva designing, duplicate. Once again, you don't want, delete it. Other way, undo. Okay, as many undos as you want, you can do. Similarly, like we have it on our Microsoft pages. Okay, now all this, whatever you're doing, like you can see on my screen, 5 days national level FDP, right? I am editing this doc. Here you can import the file, resize and apply any magics if you want, provided it is pro. You can see here the crown symbol, right? Then view all pages. Suppose you may have more than 1 or 2 pages. So in that cases, you need to have the pages. You can save for later. Now, as long as you are working on the template, it is getting automatically saved in your account. You need not worry about it. Okay, whatever in case your battery is low or your PC is switched off suddenly, don't worry. It will retain your changes, whatever you have made to the template to the extent that it was off. Till then, it will be available. Again, you can restart working on the same templates. Okay. Then we have save to folder. Suppose you wanted to save it to a folder, you can save it to folder by choosing the folders on in this particular application. It is not outside the application. Like suppose you wanted to retain the original copy with you and just send a copy of it to another person for some more additions to it. So you can also make a copy. So once you're done, make a copy and share it on your onto with your friends. Sharing option is available online, provided if they have Canva application in their mobiles and access to your the share message that you are going to send them via your Gmail account or messages, etc. Okay. Then yes, view all comments. Comments, people can comment on your work based on like when you are submitting assignments, etc. Yeah, your teacher can comment on it, and all those comments you can see when you open your account. They all will be visible to you and to your people with whom you have shared, like your friend. You shared your template for further editing. So they may end up giving you certain comments on a particular place. On that particular place, they can give you the comments which you can look at. Okay, so this is how you can do. Suppose you wanted to add another, yes, you can add. You can have a duplicate or you can delete. See here, with the help of below, I'm able to add a page, I'm able to delete a page, and also create a duplicate. Suppose I want to create a duplicate of this. See, just a tapping on that, second page is becoming. I hope the screen is visible to all of you. So second slide is a duplicate slide. Suppose I want another duplicate, third one. So n number of duplicates you can create, and this duplicates, you can retain the original copy and the duplicates can be sent to the people you want. Okay. Then coloring options, suppose and you wanted to totally change the coloring options of these duplicates. Yes, you can fix, you can change whatever changes. Your original copy is retained. Okay. See here, your original copy is retained. With this to this, you're adding some changes. So that way you can experiment and do without, damaging your own copy. You can experiment. Here, this particularly apply to all pages. This page animation, when you are selecting, you will be asked whether to apply for the page that is on screen or apply to all pages. Select according to your requirements and then go ahead. Suppose I am selecting this option of corporate. See, slowly it is trying to showcase all the, there's a chill option which is animating. Next, suppose in tools, combinations, basic, okay, and other tools are available. Now, besides this design option that we were looking, into, we have couple of other options like elements. What are elements? Elements are various shapes that you can insert in the template. Like recently that I have been using for my academics are these, the graphs, okay, and the circles, etc. So the list of pie charts, etc., you can see. Besides, these shapes are available, which you can use. Tap on it, see. In the template that I am working on, a square shape box is appearing, right? So here we go. In this, suppose you want to write text, some text you want to write, or you wanted to change the color, you can change. By tapping on the color that you want, you can change the color, right? So this is how you can do. Now, text, I showed you, right? There are ways to insert the text. Suppose you go to the template directly and tap on the text by default, what is available in order to change that. Simply, you can just tap and change it. Okay. Otherwise, you can just go to this page. Okay. And text you tap, you will be able to edit the text one by one. It shows all the text like Canva Designing. Okay. It will show you second, 5 days national level FDP. It will highlight that particular, box wherein you can change. So that way. Next is gallery. Now the gallery which is available, your own photos, some pictures, some images that you want to insert, all those can be easily inserted by selecting the photos. Suppose brand. Now brand is all completely all about the pro account, which is a paid version. Okay. So logos, colors, fonts, brand size, brand voice. You can select some replication of voice are available, voices are available that you can use. Photos are there, graphics, icons are there, which you can use. Next, you have upload option where you can end up uploading your own photos, images, video clippings, etc. Then you have drawing option. See, suppose I wanted to draw on this something, right? I wanted to write something. I can simply use the sketches which are available as, pointer, okay, slanting, a round side, etc. I can just use it. Suppose I am by mistakenly using something and I wanted to change. Here is an eraser. Just use the eraser. Okay. Tap on the eraser and rub it. Okay. Next, color changes. Like you wanted to change the color of the pen that you're using, and simply change it. See, this way I can change the color. Suppose I am using red color. Here I don't want red. Instead, I want green. So let me uh, write green. 5 days national. This is a pointer pen. Okay. So 5 days. No, I don't want this. So let me rub it. Or you can go for undo. You can use eraser or you can even go for undo option where you can simply erase all what you can do. One go you want, just select eraser and clear the screen. You can easily clear the screen. All right. So drawing settings, suppose you wanted to do any setting with respect to your drawing and where you wanted to, your size of the image, etc. You can do on this line from 0 to 100. You can just select this according to your requirement and go. Okay. So next comes charts. Suppose I wanted to insert a chart here. See, this is how I can insert. This is little bigger. I wanted to make it small. So with the help of my, cursor only I can do. Or you can just go down and select the options to edit the thing. So now the by default it is available with some facts and figures. Now I don't want this. I wanted to change. Okay, I wanted to change. So let me write here as mangoes diary items. Okay, and change the figure here as well. Suppose see. Okay, see the figure has totally changed because I've changed certain elements into it. I have marked 150 for mangoes, right? So therefore it is changing. It is comprising of the huge area. All this is happening to the duplicate template. Your original 1 and 2 templates are same. So that's how you can keep practicing without changing your original template. Suppose you find a particular template has come to a form and it is really satisfying you. Create a duplicate and start further experimenting on it. Okay. So this way you can insert charts. Suppose you wanted to insert any features on applications which you can discover online and the trending applications list are available. Okay, so all these are available like magic media, upscalers, background erasers, mockups. All these are available, provided if you want to use it, you should go for Pro. Okay, and then in case by default, if any applications in line with Canva, besides Canva, if you wanted to use, you can also use it here and do the same. Okay, so here chart, right? So all these options one by one we have explored. Design, elements. Elements give you the list of shapes. Text, where you can change the text of the templates. Okay, gallery will take you to the gallery, provided if you give access to it, it will take you to the gallery and thereby allow you to do editing to your current photos. Insert the photo and editing. Uploads, you can upload any important documents, pictures, images from online. Drawing you can do, right, with the three pens that are provided. Besides colors, textures, any other effects, filters, etc. Still, you can use projects which are already available if you wanted to combine and then do. That way, you can still see. In the beginning of the class, we started with a purple beige gradient timetable, right? So, and next we have done the flyer. You wanted to combine. Yes, you can do by projecting, by bringing that here and then combining it to make one single document. Charts is something which you can use out of the list available here. Besides, there are many in each subsection which you can avail. Okay, so all these are various options which you can go with free. Use it and make your flyers, brochures, timetables, infographics, videos, YouTube thumbnails, and many more. I can say for not the regular, like you wanted to work on for products to create a brochure for a product. You can have templates on those lines. You want to write an article for a newspaper. These kind of templates will help you in writing a newspaper article where you can design your own template, right? You can give all the headings, subheadings, and then start doing it. So this is how you can present your work more meaningful, more attractable, and more understandable to the public. All right. So you can see once again the kind of options that you have on your left panel. All these options are available. Now, with the help of this home button, you just go to resources type, subject that you want, designing, ready to teach lessons are available, like polygons, etc. Teachers across, use these all shapes, etc. They're all ready-made available. Small changes are required for you to, incorporate those simple changes that you can make and start using these lessons which are available by default. Okay, for higher studies, projects, video making, and YouTube thumbnails, students making PowerPoint presentations. You can just, have an endless list of the designs, what you will find it here on the Canva. You have n number of templates available, which you can create for social media, Instagrams on day-to-day basis. People use this Canva, which makes ready your PPT more attractive and more designable. Okay. So with this, I end up my session. Yes, if you talk about presentations, etc., videos, yeah, everything is in the same line. You just have to select the template of video that you wanted to go with, tap on it and start creating. Keep adding your content for each one of it and see how it works. You can again create a duplicate also as you were doing. See, all these templates are available by default. The timings also are available. So here you can design your own. You can add certain elements. You can add text. You can add up from your gallery some photos. You can add charts. You can do anything that you want. You can you can set up the timings also. Suppose here in this page, you wanted to add a transition page. Yeah, you can okay, apply between all pages. So that's how you can just give a see, suppose I wanted to create a duplicate of this page. Okay, see how the duplicates have been created 3 times. This page I wanted to delete. I don't want this page, is not so attractive, I will delete it. This page, probably I would look. Yeah, see, you wanted to add, you can add few more. Set the timing, split it, use the color options, timings you can set. How much time, it runs through. Okay, and then layers you can overlapping, etc. You can choose layers, you can use more options to copy, paste, the page, add some notes, etc. So these are various options which you can start hands-on and become and specialist in doing so. Okay. So this is all about Canva designing, brochure, flyer, videos, presentations, and whatnot. The list is endless. Okay. So I end up my session here with the presentation. The session is now open for any queries. Please